Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this DS3 key fob. Here's what you need. You need a small screwdriver. It can either be Phillips or flat tip, doesn't matter. And then you need one of these replacement batteries. This takes a 1620. And you can get these off Amazon, they're really inexpensive. There's a link below in the description that'll take you straight there. Okay, so first part is this piece needs to come out. Now there's a little latch right here. So pull that latch down and then kind of push this away. Now that was a little bit easier than it usually is, but that's probably the trickiest part. Now this part, you want to split the two halves and just insert your screwdriver here and just gently pry. And this is on a spring, so be careful when you pull the two halves apart. Okay, so there's your old battery, and you can just slide that out. Just be careful with your transponder there, you don't want to damage that. Take out your old battery. Take your new 1620, slide it in positive side up, and then just pop this right over here. And you want to give that a good squeeze, and then putting this piece back on. This slot, you want to line up with that slot right there, and then just give it and you're back in business. Won't need any reprogramming. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.